Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the grid system. Make sure while working on the grid system you have a container. We always define each and everything inside the container. Let's suppose if you are going to create anything, you definitely have the containers. We have two types of containers available in the Bootstrap 5. So what are the containers? So let's get started. So as you can see, introductions, you can also read the documentations, entire documentations. Okay, if you click on the layouts, as you can see, they have the breakpoint. So you can also read the breakpoint, XM or small. So as you can see, if I use the MD, that means I'm talking about the medium devices. If I'm using the SM class anywhere, that means I'm talking about the small devices. If I use the LG, that means I'm talking about the large devices. If I'm using extra large, that means I'm using the extra large devices. And here, as you can see, the dimensions, extra small, that means less than 576 pixels devices. Let's suppose you have old Android phones. You are talking about the old Android phones. If you use the small, that means you have iPhone 5, 6, 7 devices. If you use the medium, that means you are talking about greater than and equals to 768, like your pads or like your iPhone Max or Max Pro, something like that. If you have a large devices, and here as you can see, if I use the medium, that means we are talking about also the small laptops. If you use the large, that means I have 28-inch screen. I'm talking about those screen which has a resolutions 992 pixel greater than. Okay, so something like that. So this is the breakpoint. You can also read the documentations here. We are not teaching you here the media queries, like what are the media queries, how can you use the media queries. As you can see, this is a media queries sections. You can use the minimum width and why we have to use, or we are using, or we use the media breakpoint up. So just ignore these one. Okay, now just click on the containers. As you can see, you can also read the entire documentations from here to here. Okay, now in simple words, we use the container. We have two types of containers. Container which set maximum width at each responsive breakpoint. Container fluid which is width 100%. Okay, I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. I'm now starting from here. I'm saying I have the container, first of all, container, and now I'm saying I'm using the border for this one, and I'm saying padding top or padding, let's suppose for now it's fine. Go to the page, refresh the page, and now I'm saying margin top 5. It's fine, and I'm adding some element here. Let's suppose for now it's fine. Here is my element. As you can see, your container starts from here and ends here. Okay, now right click, inspect element, inspect element, click on the container. As you can see, it's saying maximum width 540 in this device. So if you use the container fluid, that means you are saying please use the 100%. Refresh the page. So now as you can see, my device is I think 32 inches, so that's why it's showing you from here to here. If you resize your device, as you can see, it's automatically adjusting. You are saying whatever device you have or any users, just use the 100%. If right click, inspect element, so as you can see, it's saying width 100%. If you downgraded this one, so now as you can see, it's fine. Okay, so these are the two containers we use mostly in our projects. You can also read the documentations here, like container. If you use the container for small, medium, large devices, as you can see, this class use the 540. This container works with this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, fine. You can also use the default container here, responsive containers. For container SM, you can also read the entire documentations. Okay, but we use mostly two types of containers. If you need the 100% for your elements, you have to use the container fluid. If you use the container, simple container, you have to use this one. Okay guys, so these are the two types containers available in the Bootstrap. We're gonna discuss about some other kind of functionalities available in the grid system, like rows, like columns, how they work. So thank you for watching.